Today, I'm drawing a mother hen laying eggs. Did you know? After the hen lays her eggs, she sits on them to keep them warm. This is called incubating. She takes care of her eggs until the baby chicks are ready to hatch. First, I draw the eggs, round and small. Next, I draw the hen's head with a little beak and her eye. Then I draw her body, nice and round. I'm using a black marker to draw everything. And I use colorful crayons to make the hen look bright and pretty. Do you like chickens? Have you ever raised a chicken before? It's so fun to watch them walk around and make funny sounds. And guess, what have you ever seen a chicken lay an egg? It's amazing. The hen sits, waits, and then pop! An egg comes out. Do you like eating chicken? Or do you like eggs more? I really love scrambled eggs for breakfast. How about you? What's your favorite way to eat eggs? Don't go anywhere. Stay with me until the end. Let's see how our drawing turns out together. Now I'm coloring the chicken's tail. Look at those pretty feathers. Next, I'm going to color the chicken's body. What do you think about the colors I chose? Do you like them? If you have your own favorite colors, go ahead and use them too. It's okay if your colors are different from mine. Just have fun and color the way you like. Enjoy coloring. Have you ever been chased by a chicken? Or maybe you were the one chasing the chicken. That must have been so funny. Have you ever found an egg hiding in the bushes? Surprise! And how about visiting a chicken farm? Have you ever been to one? What about your area? Are there many chicken farms where you live? Chickens are so funny and cute, aren't they? There are so many kinds of chickens. Some are for food, and some are just for decoration, like fancy pet chickens with fluffy feathers. Hey, are any of you scared of chickens? To be honest, I'm a little scared too. Sometimes I'm afraid they might peck me or even chase me. And did you know? Some mother hens don't like it when we get too close, especially when they're with their little chicks. If we try to come near, they might flap their wings and run at us. So, it's best to watch them from a little distance. Did you know that eggs can hatch in two ways? Some eggs hatch naturally. The mother hen sits on them to keep them warm until the baby chicks come out. But eggs can also hatch using a special machine called an egg incubator. Have you ever heard of that? I used one before. It has lots of little lights inside to keep the eggs warm, just like a mother hen would. After some time, the eggs started to crack, and baby chicks came out. It was so amazing to see. Wow, look at that! Our chicken is almost done. She's sitting on her eggs, just like a real mama hen. What do you think, friends? Do you like the drawing? How does it look to you? I hope you had fun drawing with me. If you like this picture, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe so we can draw more fun things together next time.